Hi everyone, welcome. Today I am sharing very important video with you. So please watch this video till end. This video for those people who especially interested in Honeypot tokens and they are looking for free source code from GitHub or somewhere else. So if you search on YouTube and you will get some videos like this, and this is channel, it's actually a scammer. So only this channel have 4 videos, and the first videos was posted 1 year ago and the last one 2 week ago. And here is the website. So I will go to website and show you. If you copy and use this code, what will be effect to you. So here this guy share two types of code. One for honeypot token smart contract code. You can deploy either on BSC or Ethereum or any EVM chain. Here is the smart contract. I read this smart contract. If you copy this smart contract and deploy, so this person will notify and he will come to your smart contract and take the ownership and mint new tokens. When you create liquidity pool, so he will mint the token and sell them. So this person can pull out all of your liquidity. So don't use these types of free source code. Ever buy trusted and secure source code from professional or trusted developers. Now I will talk about Solana. On the Solana, this guy write code in JavaScript, and also it's share the process how you can create token and how add liquidity. Everything he share look like as a guideline, but in the code, when you run the code, this guy will take over your private key. So here is Solana honeypot token code. Go to okay, this person share files like freeze.js and config.js and asking for here your wallet private key. So when you run the script, so here let me show you this const helper path. So this URL is taking your private key and posting to the this owner of this website. So your wallet will be compromised and you will lose funds. So I am telling you again, don't ever use this kind of free code. Nobody will share and nobody will give you free code. You have to buy from trusted developer or a seller. So remain remember this person and this website. Here is the URL and here is the front end look, and this is the channel. Whenever you search on YouTube and watch this video, and this is the channel name, so stay away from this scammer.